This next part of this question is asking you to find the median. It asks you down here, but I'm just doing it up here so we can all see the table at the same time. Now, the median is going to be found using the cumulative frequency column, okay? So make yourself a note that the cumulative frequency column, which is sometimes called the CF, okay, is where you'll use to find the median. The first thing you need to do is have a look at what the total number of outcomes there are. So there's 150 altogether, or 150 scores. So I am looking for the 75th and 76th score, okay? And the way that I do that is I run down this column and I say, right, this is where the first score happened. This is where the 4th through to the 5th score happened. This is where the 6th through to the 27th score happened, etc., etc. So here, so far there's been 59 scores, but I'm still chasing the 75th and 76th. So they'll happen somewhere in this band here, okay? So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for an interval of 60 to 69. So the median will be 60 to 69.